okay, okay. Yeah.
Hey, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first cooking vlog. So, welcome back to my channel. And this is the Argentinian shrimp and the egg fettuccine and the bell peppers that I got from my grocery haul. So, I'm just gonna pour that in. So this is looking so good and so yummy because with the Argentinian shrimp, it already had its own seasoning inside, which I want to see what that tastes like. And I just put some Kerrygold butter. So we're just gonna let this simmer down. And right now, we are gonna put the egg fettuccine pasta in the water. So when you open it, all right, so I'm back, and this is my egg fettuccine, and I am just going to put it in the water, and I'm going to use all of it. I put some olive oil inside the water, and I like to separate while I place them in the water. I just find that it come out better that way. So I'm just doing that. All right, so I'm gonna use this for my smoked salmon and cream cheese that I also got from Trader Joe's, but I'm going to make a couple of biscuits with this. So yeah, so since I'm literally only gonna make 4 biscuits, I'm gonna use this small baking dish which I got from my Wayfair haul. So yeah, the pasta and the shrimp is almost done, and the biscuits are going into the oven. And so this is how the pasta looks, all mixed up. So good. And the oven is going off because the biscuits are done and they are golden brown, girl. Let me put this down so I could take them out because I'm not burning myself. OMG, girl. Look how good this looks. Look how good. And look, perfectly golden brown biscuits. I used avocado oil and they came out so beautiful. Now I'm gonna eat. OMG, so good. Fettuccine shrimp, Argentinian Alfredo, 10 out of 10.